Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Friends, and welcome to this new review video on this channel. And the product in the question is ViroLink, as you can see on the screen. So this product is launched today by Branson Tai. So he's I think he's from Malaysia. He's an IT person, so in the past he has done a lot of sales with his products. Like before today, he launched some Ultron and he made 2,000 plus sales. He launched Deep Link, he made 5,000 plus sales, 3,000 plus sales, 1,000 plus sales. So he is an IT person making softwares and websites and everything. He has done quite a lot of sales and he has earned enough money. But I was not there to review his products before, but now I'm here. So let's start again here what's going on. So make sure you stick till the end, otherwise you will surely lose your money. Okay, so first of all, let's go with the headline. It says push one button viral blast any link for free buyer traffic in 20 seconds. So as soon you see this word on any website, and it's along with free. So if it says anything about buyer traffic or anything about free traffic or free buyer traffic, now all these three combination of words means a red signal. That means you need to stop there, stop yourself from going further and think for a second, what is it, they're telling you. So I have told you many times in my previous videos that there's no such thing as called buyer traffic. If they had buyer traffic, they wouldn't be selling out this product to you. Okay, so I will keep this video short. I don't want to waste my time on these kind of crappy products, spam products. So let's cut the crap and get to their bullet points. First is autopilot buyer traffic. This is the very first line that tells you that this product is a scam. Okay, anything which says autopilot buyer traffic, autopilot money, you will get rich, all that crap, it's a scam. So this person is good in IT and all that. So if he says, okay, this is a software product, you can go into the dashboard, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. So this is how this product is going to help you. So I'm okay with that, as long you're only saying that this is a product which will help you to, do this particular task, right? Either it is posting articles, posting pictures, creating videos. So if this software do such thing, I'm fine with that. But as soon you claim that there's some traffic and you will make some money, the hard work gets wasted, because all the hard work which you do, no matter how good you are, how technical you are, it's all crap, because in the end you are scamming people. You're telling people that okay, use this software and you will make some money, and that's where all your technical expertise, all your goodwill goes into the ground. So let's go ahead and see what they're telling here. Get instant access. So it's a simple understanding. You don't have to use so much brain. If any system is going to make you money, that system cannot be available to anybody in just 17 bucks. So if I have a system which makes me $200 per day, $500 per day, even $100 per day, so if I have such system, I will not sell it out. And even if I will sell it out, I will sell it out for $1,700,000, not just for $17. Okay, so this is the second signal. First signal is once somebody says you will get free buyer traffic inside and you'll make money, that's signal one. Second is, how come these products are cheap? If they're definitely going to work for you, why is it so cheap? So cheap price always means you are going to get nothing. So you will only end up losing 17 bucks, and this is only to start with, because if you go into upgrades, these are the upgrades. So the basic upfront cost is 17 bucks. Then you have upgrades like 26 bucks, 47, 37, 197 as well, and even the maximum is 497. So for all this crap, you can even pay 497 if you're a fool. So there will be people who will be paying and buying the software. I can show you the live results. So for example, right now 250 plus sales has already been made. So you can see people are so stupid in the world. They're fools, and they have gone about buying this product already in few hours. And let's go back to the dashboard here. I'll show you actually how this works. So this is inside the dashboard, and all they're doing is they're actually going ahead and giving you a tool or a software so that you can post your pins from this dashboard to your Pinterest account. Okay, and you can schedule those posts. You can post them on a later date. Now this can be done from Pinterest itself, but the point to catch here is that whether it is Pinterest, whether it is Facebook, whether it is Instagram, whether it is Google Ads, these are third-party companies for marketing. You do not have any control over them. Your Pinterest account can be shut down anytime. Then what are you going to do about the software? Your money is going to be wasted. So there's no guarantee that your Pinterest account will stay alive if you start posting pins every 10 minutes or every other half an hour. So if you spam your Pinterest account, for sure Pinterest will ban you and you will not be able to open a new account. Same thing in Facebook, same thing in Instagram, same thing in Google Ads. If they suspend you, you got to go nowhere. You got no place to go anywhere else. So this software is again scamming you. If this software was only saying that okay, this has the technology to post pins on Twitter automatically or on this Pinterest, I can accept that. Then okay, yes, you can buy it. But as soon it has said that you will make some money with this software, that's total scam. And also notice that at the top here it says that it's not secure. So the website they have hosted is not secure. They have no SSL. How can you expect some website to be hosted on the internet today without having without having security? They have no SSL. So let's go back to their website. I'm gonna show you something here. So if you go to hrefs.com/backlink.checker and you type in their URL, which is ViroLinkVIP.com, it shows you that their domain rating is only 0.1 and they only have one referring domain and only one backlink. So they have no authority online, okay? And similarly, if you go to whois.com at the top, you can see, and you check their domain ViroLinkVIP.com, it shows they are registered with Namecheap, and they had registered this domain only on 4th of June 2021. So this product is launched on 10th of June today, and this domain was registered only 6 days ago. So this website is only 6 days old, and they're claiming that you can make money and all that bullshit which goes around on the internet. So do me a favor, do not buy this product, okay? So share this video with as many people you can. Stop wasting your money on the internet. There's no such software which can make money for you. I have told you many times in my videos, if you need to make money, you need to learn some skills, you need to have some knowledge, either make YouTube videos, either write blogs, either do something. Until you don't do something, until you're not providing any service, until you're not providing any knowledge, until you don't know nothing. If you know nothing, there's no system in the world which can make you money. So I do not have a system which I can give you and you can just log into the system and you start making money. Similarly, there's nobody else in the world who has that kind of system, who can put that system on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, and you just log in there, buy it, and you start making money. There's no such thing, my friends, in the world. How many times do I tell you? So just have focus. Be alert what you're doing on the internet. Stop wasting your money. 17 bucks wasted means that you could save those 17 bucks and learn something from that. So I think I'll end this video for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and if you need to learn about how to bring traffic to your website, how to create backlinks and stuff like that, watch the link in the description below. Learn something first, okay? Learn something, gain some knowledge, and then think what you want to do. Start a blog, start a YouTube channel. So you have to gain some experience, buddy, before you can start making money. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you with the next review video shortly.